Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question linked to money. The keywords in the question, but we are told we've got 4 pens and a ruler and the total cost is £4.75. Then if I have 2 pens, the cost is £1.98, so you can see the 2 pens here. And you've been asked, how much does a ruler cost? Now on the left hand side of the box it says you must show your method. That means you must show the numbers that you're adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing. Whatever calculations are going on in your head needs to get written down on this box here. The question is worth 2 marks and you need to write your final answer in the box provided. The key facts. The word buy means add up the total. So when you're buying something, when you're going shopping, you've got to add together all the items. So if I add together these 4 pencils plus the ruler, I add up all those values, it gives me £4.75. Altogether is a total. So altogether is the total cost of all the pens plus the ruler. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Great work, guys. Hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. So to start with, you're told that 2 pens are £1.98. So these 2 pens here together are £1.98. So that means up here, these 2 pens cost £1.98. And also, these 2 pens cost £1.98. So I'm going to add together these two £1.98s to give me the total for how much I've spent on pens. So on the right hand side, I'm going to add up the right hand side first. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So carry the 1 and put a 6 underneath. 9 plus 9 plus 1. Well, 9 plus 1 is 10. Add on the 9 gives me 19. So I carry the 1 and put a 9 down here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And the decimal point stays in the same place. So the 4 pens altogether cost £3.96. You could have done £1.98 times by 2 or double £1.98, or you could have doubled £2, which is £4. Now £1.98 is 2 pence less than £2. So then if I double it, I'm 4 pence less than the £4. So £4, take away the 4 pence gives me the £3.96. So you could have done it in your head without having to do any working out. It's personal preference whether you prefer to add, multiply or round the value and then take the amount off. There are different ways to get this answer of £3.96. Whatever works for you, use the method that you're comfortable with. Now we're told the total cost is £4.75. So I've got to take this £4.75, take away the cost of the pens, and that will tell me how much this ruler costs. So I'm doing £4.75, take away the total cost of the pens. And if we do this method by adding these values or doubling them, taking it from £4.75, that will give you 1 method mark for showing your working. On the right hand side, we're going to start. So 5 take away 6 we can't do. So I need to borrow from the 7. So I'm going to cross that out and make it a 6. I'm going to borrow the 10 to make this number 15. 15 take away 6 is 9. 6 take away 9 I can't do, so I've got to borrow from the 4, cross it out and make it a 3. So I'm going to put a 10 in front of the 6, making it 16. 16 take away 9 is 7. The decimal point stays in place. Then I've got 3 take away 3 is 0. Now we've got to write our answer in the box here. So I've got an answer of 0.79, which means £0.79. We can write that with a pound symbol at the front, 0.79, or you could have written 79 pence. Both answers would be correct. So it doesn't matter whether you wrote your answer in pounds or whether you wrote your answer in pence, because it just says how much does the ruler cost, and it is 79 pence or £0.79. The mark scheme on this question shows there are 2M, which means 2 method marks for getting the final answer correct. The answer is 79 pence, or in pounds, £0.79. Either answer is acceptable. then you get 1 mark for showing you're working. So either doing £4.75, take away £1.98 and then taking £1.98 away again, or doing the £1.98 or 198 pence times by 2, so doubling it, then taking that from the £4.75. You are allowed to get an error mark for working in pounds and pence incorrectly. Or this is the last method by doubling £2, which gives you £4, just for rounding, rather than doing the exact amount and then taking that away, and then you've got to then add on the 4p extra. Whichever way helps you work out the answer. It doesn't really matter which method you use. You choose one that works for you. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.